True to its spirit, when it rains, it pains in Bengaluru. As evening fell, rain lashed various parts of the city. Jayanagar, KR Market and Majestic among them. That's not it. Cricket fans heading to Chinnaswamy Stadium for the RCB match were caught off guard by the sudden downpour. Heavy rains hit the stadium's surrounding areas, forcing people to take shelter near metro stations. Several other pockets like Hebbar, Mekri Circle, GKVK and Yelahanka also saw intense rainfall, causing major trouble for commuters and motorists. Visuals show streets inundated with up to 3 feet of water. Two-wheelers had a tough time navigating submerged roads. A Zomato delivery agent there fell into an open pothole hidden beneath the water. Visuals of the same right on your screens. That's not it. In another incident, a biker skidded and fell due to a water-filled pothole. On Sarjapur Road near RGA Tech Park, the rain unleashed chaos. The stretch was fully waterlogged, and this, viewers, is a recurring issue. Every spell of rain leaves the roads submerged. The standoff between the railways and the BBMP over land use for storm water drainage remains unresolved. With no path for the water to escape, the area floods routinely. Despite the waterlogging, vehicles continued to move and people were seen wading through knee-deep water. In Jayanagar's east end, a tree reportedly fell on an auto rickshaw. Thankfully, no casualties were reported. On Bannerghatta Road, near Maiko Layout, several houses were partially submerged. In Pukharaj Layout's second cross, around 15 homes were flooded with sewage water, forcing residents to deal with dirty water entering their homes. Fire and emergency services along with police reached the location and began pumping out the sewage water. In response, the BBMP Chief Commissioner Maheshwar Rao visited the BBMP Central Office. He reviewed the situation at the Integrated Command and Control Center and directed officials to carry out urgent repairs. Meanwhile, Sai Layout once again bore the brunt. The area there is no stranger to flooding, and today's downpour led to water entering homes, leaving residents distressed and household items floating. In Tatanagar, Beataranepura, rainwater pooled on the roads. Autos and cars there braved the flooded streets, inching their way forward. My colleague Wajiullah gets us the latest from ground.
40 minutes of rain has exposed the BBMP and the authorities of Bengaluru. What you see behind me is a road which is turned into a lake or a river. You can see where vehicles are passing over it. This is what has happened in the last 40 minutes of heavy rainfall in the city. You can see till where the water is, and the entire tires are getting covered of the water. And if I can tell my camera person to pan and show you on the left hand side, this is the team of TV9. People who are trying to clear the water and trying to clean up the sewage, and they are doing the work which is supposed to be done by the BBMP officials. You can see how the force of water is going inside that drain, and that is a big drain. They are risking their life and they are making sure that the water is cleaned up. And if I can tell him to pan on the right and show till where my eyes can go, till where the camera person's screen can grow, you can see a flood-like situation over here. And this is the accumulated water of just 40 minutes of rainfall. If I can show you, these are the places where vehicles have also fallen inside the bus. You can see in the water. So this is what has happened to Bengaluru in the last 40 minutes. We have been talking about how you can see the water cannon, how it's floating over there. That's the water cannon. That is the level at which the water has stranded here in Shantinagar region. You can see how far the water has gone inside the auto. There is a bike which is stranded here, which has fallen off. See, my camera person is trying to show you. This is an Ola bike that is over here, and that is the condition of the bike. It won't start anymore, is what I'm going to show you. But if we turn around, the jam that has caused because of this, how with difficulty with which the people are moving about, gives you an idea that the BBMP was not prepared with regards to the rainfall that is going to hit Bengaluru. You can see the situation over here. There is a hole right in front of it, and because of which a person just fell off. Now how chaotic the situation is here, how people are still trying to work around. And this is what has happened in the last 40 minutes. This is one such street in Bengaluru.